Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. Let's begin with understanding what a value chain analysis is. A value chain is used in business to give a visual model of all the activities that take place for a product to be created from beginning to end, including its design, production, and distribution stages. Now let's learn how to make a value chain analysis. First, navigate to File, click on New, and select Strategy and Planning from the list, and then choose Value Chain Analysis from the subcategories. There you will find various templates to draw a value chain analysis based on your needs. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. From the library, I'm going to select Basic Drawing Shapes Callouts from the General Library list. And from the Basic Diagram Library list, I'll choose List Shapes and Process Steps for this video accordingly. So let's get going with our academic research value chain analysis by dragging shapes and symbols onto the drawing page. Drag and drop the built-in value list shape from the library and resize it according to your needs. Here you can edit the value list shapes using Smart Shapes on the right pane by changing the shape numbers, etc. Next, continue adding texts and symbols to draw an academic research value chain analysis accordingly. Here, increasing the shape numbers will increase the data fields for entering texts as per the design and its stages. To explain any distribution stages, data fields can be increased consequently. Continue with adding texts and symbols to complete the value chain analysis. Let's add a title to the academic research value chain analysis by selecting the text icon from the top and adjusting the font size and font style. Once done with making the diagram, use the built-in theme on the right pane to make it look more visually appealing. Navigate to View and deselect the grid lines. And right-click to fit the drawing on the page, followed by zooming out the page to match the window. Click on the From Current Page icon to view the diagram in presentation mode. Now let's see a few examples of value chain analyses available in EdrawMax. Here's a profit value chain. This is a Porter value chain analysis. And this is a finance acquisitions value chain analysis. Download EdrawMax for free from the link in the description, and you can create any analysis diagram you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMax videos.